In this video, I'll show you how to send an email in Zoho Mail using the BCC feature so you can email multiple people without sharing their addresses. Start by logging into your Zoho Mail account at mail.zoho.com. Enter your credentials to access your inbox. Next, click New Mail to open the Compose window. You will see the to and CC fields for your main recipients. To add a BCC, click the CC/BCC button next to the to field. The BCC field will appear below. Enter the email addresses of the recipients you want to blind copy. Double check the addresses to avoid typos. Then fill in the subject line and write your message in the body. You can also format your text or attach files if needed. Finally, review your email and click send. Your message will now reach all recipients discreetly. And that's it. Using BCC in Zoho Mail keeps everyone's email addresses private and makes group emails simple,